Hello, this is my Thursday forecast. Let's start with the Aussie. What I'm seeing for the Aussie is I saw first this range. So descending corrective range, breaking the lows retracing, breaking the highs retracing. Then I noticed that there were liquidity areas below and above. So we actually pushed into the lower liquidity area where people's stops are, and then we retraced. Then we got a small descending structure, and we got a small push to the upside. So this was a reversal bullet opportunity, but to me this just didn't show enough momentum, and spread hours were here, so I didn't even get an opportunity to enter this trade. But if I did get an opportunity, I wouldn't enter it because it doesn't fit my plan, because I saw no momentum shift to the upside. Then we got a continuation of this impulse, but what we got a large wick. So to me, this move didn't show momentum and didn't show any conviction that we want to go to the upside. So I didn't enter on this bullet either. I stayed out of both trades because I saw no momentum shift to the upside. And then we pushed to the downside, broke the low and retraced straight away. And broke the low again, retraced, broke the high, retraced. So currently we are just in this huge range. What I'm expecting is that we continue ranging in this area. What I would like to see is a clean descending structure, then a push to the upside and a continuation or a bullet or bomb trade. I would also like to see a nice impulse from here, then a bomb. I would also like to see maybe an ascending structure, then a clean impulse to the downside, then a continuation trade, either a bomb or a reversal bullet. But we need to be careful because if we get an ascending, that would signal to us a descending into an ascending structure. So it would signal to us a range. Or maybe we can get an impulse to the downside. Then I would evaluate, see if it fits my plan, maybe enter a bomb or a bullet. Or maybe see if we can get an impulse to the downside, then another impulse signaling to us a trend, then enter a bullet. Same thing to the upside, so an impulse to the upside, pull back another impulse, and the bullet trade. So yeah, currently the Aussie is just ranging, and I need to see a clear momentum. I need to see clear momentum and a clear impulse out of this price action. Let's move on to the euro. So a bit of a similar story. The euro is just ranging. We had this range, so sideways range, flat range, whatever you want to call it, went into the liquidity area, retraced, pushed down, retraced with huge wicks to the downside and huge wicks to the upside, signaling to us indecision and ranging price action. Then we got this ascending structure to the upside, broke the high with a clean close and retraced straight away. So we know that if we get this structure descending into an ascending, that there are stops above and below this area, so liquidity areas, and we need to see what happens when price breaks into them. As we can see here, price broke into the higher, so the liquidity area that is above the range retraced straight away, signaling to me that there is no momentum, no conviction, and that we are just likely to range. So what I can expect is just a range here, a larger range. What I would like to see is a clean descending and a nice impulse, look for a continuation, or an ascending, nice clean ascending, impulse to the downside, continuation. Also, I would like to see an impulse to the downside, continuation, or an impulse to the upside, and the bomb trade. What also can happen is just this descending and then into an ascending. So just a more cleaner range, let's say. So it would be an ascending into a descending into ascending. And then we need to watch out what happens when price breaks the higher. So the liquidity area that is above the range and the liquidity area that is below the range. Will we push through or will we just retrace? Also, I would like to see an impulse to the upside, then a continuation, and then enter a bullet trade. Same thing to the downside, nice clean impulse, pullback, continuation of the impulse, and the bullet trade. So that's it for the forecast. Both of my pairs are just ranging currently, and I'm waiting for clear momentum and clear impulse to push out of this ranging price action. So yeah, that's it for the forecast. See you in the next one.